Hi, I'm Joyce from Sage Plus Clinical Pharmacy. I'm one of the pharmacists here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the diskus. So, number one thing you want to do with the diskus is to prepare the medication for inhalation. So you want to put this open, puncture the blister. So the medication's in here already. So if you drop the diskus, the medication is lost. So you do want to do it again if that happens. So once you do that, this device is ready for inhalation. Now to do so, you want to make sure that you prepare your lungs for it. That means you want to exhale all the air in your lungs. So when you do inhale, everything goes into your lungs and not your stomach, okay? So what you want to do is you want to exhale. Number two, you want to seal your lips around this and suck in, inhale lightly. You don't want to suck really hard because if you do, it's going to end up in your stomach and not where it should be, which is the lung. So what you want to do is seal your lips around this and just inhale lightly. Then you close your lips and try to hold your breath for about 5 to 10 seconds and blow it back out with your nose. So the whole procedure looks like this. And that's it. With most diskus, if there isn't a corticosteroid component, you do want to rinse your mouth after use. So it's a good idea to do it right before you brush your teeth during the day, and then again right before you brush your teeth at night, so you're rinsing your mouth and spitting the water out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye.